Guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Hopefully today's a good one, just like yesterday. And the market starts moving. So far the market has been moving. I'm sure you guys have been seeing the market today. But yeah, honestly, it looks pretty volatile today. I mean, right off open we ended up dumping about, what was it, like 200 something points? Yeah, almost 300 points. So we definitely have some stuff to work with. The thing is, do we get it to play out? That's the real question today. But that's something we're gonna find out maybe hopefully soon. But yeah, we'll see. Here, let me go ahead and start up the live here on my server. Okay, there you go. There you go. Because people keep asking for the live, and I might as well just put it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this up and see what we can cook up here. I already have some setups that I'm gonna explain to you guys. But here, let me go ahead and start this up. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everyone? All right, so I'm sure you guys have seen the practically the 300 point dump that we got off open. Um, Definitely something to look out for. I'm not gonna say we have a setup or anything. Well, we do, but I don't know the chances of it playing out because there's so much selling coming in. I don't know what the chances of buying, the buyer stepping in would be. I don't know if it's slim to none. I don't know if it's, maybe in an hour. We don't know. We don't know. But it's definitely something to be looking out for soon, right? So as we all know, wait, let me see the chat here. Someone asked you, David, if you're in trade 15 minutes before, then get out 5 minutes before. Yeah, no, if you get out before, you're good. Anyways, okay, so today, or well, literally right now, like 2 minutes ago, Jolt's job opening just came out. I don't know what it came out as. So far, it doesn't seem anything crazy. Yeah, well, it came out as something. I don't know how to read this, but if you guys know what it is, you guys know what it is. But whatever that is, it's not really giving the market the move that I wanted to see. Yeah, buyers stepped in pretty quick, to the point where we pumped up like, I don't know, like 50 points maybe. But nothing crazy. Right now, right off open, for some reason, for the people asking me why did we dump, I have no idea why. The market just wanted to set off, I guess. I don't really think there's anything that really sold us off. It's just the opening volume that, I guess people just didn't want to hold. Um, so yeah, that's why we got the sell off. Now, of course, with the sell off coming in, we got two really really nice fair value gaps, two that in which we could play. Right? War news. Okay, I guess it was war news. All right. So yeah, something about war. I don't know anything about war. I don't really look into that stuff, because it's not in my interest. But something with that, right? Something with that. What a way to start off the October, by the way. But you know, anyways. So we got this very strong selling to come in. Now, with the strong selling, the chance of us seeing buyers, we're not gonna see. Okay, obviously we're not gonna see buyers step in instantly, especially after 300 point dump. We're not gonna see just buyers step in and just form a really nice structure shift and go up. That's not gonna happen, right? We're gonna slowly ease into going up if the market even wants to go up. I don't know if it is. Of course I can't control it. But if it does, we definitely have some stuff to work around with. Right now, what we're looking for, obviously, I'm sure you guys read the commentary channel. Wait, first of all, let me go. Let me make sure that my YouTube is live. Yeah, it is. Okay, so here, let me put this out real quick before I say anything. Hold on. Let me see this real quick because someone was asking about the live. Check. Okay, there you go. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Okay, so what was I saying again? I completely forgot. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Anyways, right now what we're looking for. Oh yeah, buyers slowly easing in. Yeah, so right now, obviously, we can see that buyers are trying to step in. It's not something that's gonna happen instantly. But what we're looking for mainly is going to be a nice sweep through 20,056, right? If we can manage to get that. So far, we're holding below it. So the sweep, I'm hoping it comes by soon. But yeah, if we manage to get the sweep, now there's going to be two ways to trade this, right? And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to go more towards the risky side. There's going to be two, like I said, two ways to trade this. There's going to be a very, very, and I mean extremely risky, entry, which is what I might take. You guys don't have to if you don't want to, right? That's just what I'm gonna do. Of course, I'm gonna do it light and of course manage my risk and all that stuff. But there is a risky way to do it and there's a safe way to do it, right? It will cost you though. If you guys want to do it safe, it will cost you, but it will definitely save you from a possible red trade. Now, here's what I mean. Obviously, you guys can see, that we have two fair value gaps up here, right? We have a bearish one and we have another bearish one right above it. And of course, we have some drawn liquidity at 331 and 395, which is what I would want to target if the market can end up inversing all of this, right? So how exactly do we go about it if there's two fair value gaps? Well, it's pretty simple. You can either inverse the first one, get an earlier entry, but run the risk of getting rejected off the one right above it, right? It's very possible. It's very possible. Now, this is what I'm considering the risky entry. You guys can, if this is a big if we get the sweep here and we end up forming an MSS and of course buyers look strong, it seems like we want to go higher into these fair value gaps, into drawn liquidity above, sure, we can look to take these two fair value gaps. Now, here's what I mean. If you guys want to take the risky one, which is what I'm going to take because I kind of want to take a risky one. I mean, it's kind of what I want to do, right? Sure, you guys don't have to do the same thing as me, but it's something to have in mind, right? So you can either do this one, right? You inverse it just like this, 20 points, you put the fair value, the stop loss in the midpoint. You can take the entry point just like this, right? You're getting a way better entry. That's a fact, right? You're getting a way better entry, but the risk that you're taking here is if we push up about 10 points, there's another fair value gap that you have to worry about that could possibly get rejected from, and it's a whole shit show. You know what I mean? Now, if you guys want to wait for a safer entry, you're looking at a 100-point entry above the one from the risky one, which it's something, but you would still make something out of it because you could still hit the price targets. Because of course, if we inverse this, there's really nothing stopping us other than maybe some small liquidity here, and here, right? So you would target the same things, right? But the big problem behind this is that you have to wait a whole nother 100 points, which is something. So either you can enter light and risk it, which is what I want to do, or you can play it safe and see if we can even get to 43. That's even if we can even inverse here, because so far, I mean, I'm seeing all of this because it's a setup that I'm seeing, but we're selling off. So I don't know. Like I said, I can't control the market. I don't know the future. I don't know when or even if the market will reverse today because, of course, of the war news that you guys are saying. Apparently, that's what it is, right? Of course, don't quote me on that because I don't know. I haven't really looked at anything to see if it's news or not. But yeah, this is what we're working with today. So this is the setup. For those wondering, yeah, you can always enter with starters, but you can go about it how you want. I mean, I'll take my position off this. I don't really care. It's something that I want to risk. It's my position. You guys can do as you please. But if you guys want to wait for the next one, you guys can always do that. There's nothing wrong with that. You guys can always wait for the safe one. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm looking out for. Now, even though we have the closest setup, we still have to pump up 160 points, which is something. Isn't there a lower? This one already got filled. So it's not something I'm really too interested in because it got filled and it didn't even do the reaction we wanted to see. You see this right here? So, I mean, we could create one on the way down and possibly inverse it as well, which is a big possibility because what could happen is we take out 953, which is a pretty strong level of liquidity, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we have one right here. Right, we could take out this one and create a bearish rally gap going into it, and we inverse that one as well. Same thing, you know what I mean? We just get a way better entry. So I guess that's what I'm hoping to happen. I hope we get a sell-off into 953. Same idea, same everything, just a closer and more new for value gap. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Does that news wick invalid? Yeah, it does. Yeah. Every pot might fade. Yeah, that's a big risk. So of course I want to give the market some time. Not always. There's been times where the market has dumped and it pumps right back up even harder. Right? It depends. It all depends on the reaction of the market. So we're gonna see. But so far, yeah, we created a pretty nice fair value gap here. I hope we don't close it right now. But yeah, no. So far we have a 88-point sell-off, which is something. But what I would want to see here would be a nice sweep off of 953 and possibly look into inversing this one, and we target everything above just like this, right? Big possibility. This is something that I would like to do. But yeah, Frank, just like how you said, yeah, every pot might get faded. If we have, it depends. If you want to be patient and wait till around lunch hour to get a setup, and see if every pop is getting faded or not. You could do that. If you want to take the risk, you could just size as light as you can and go from there. But yeah, there it is. All right, so we just took out 953, which is something I really wanted to look into. Now the price targets. This is where it's gonna get a little bit tricky because we don't have any liquidity above. I mean, we do, but it's something. You know what I mean? So when you guys don't have that much liquidity above, you guys should just target the bottom of each fair value gap, just like that. Because these are points where you should be taking profits, and these are points where the market can also reject from. So, in my opinion, if you guys were to enter longs off this, if we even get the inverse, you guys would target, of course, 78.25 because that's where we literally just rejected from, which created liquidity. And we also have 109 and 176. The reason I have these levels is because these are the bottom of the of each and every single fair value gap where the market could really reject from, right? So these are the levels we're looking out for. And it should make sense. It's pretty simple, right? So our price targets, if we do end up taking longs, which is what the only thing I'm really looking for, will be 20,078.25, 20,109.75, and of course well, not of course, well, let me see, 76, and now I have my final price target at 331, which I don't even know if we see. I doubt we see today, but hey, you never know. This market lately has been, can't really predict it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put here, market is extremely volatile, so consider this trade a risky one. I'm size. Okay, there you go. But yeah, so far what we're looking for right now, the ideal game plan, ignore everything that I said above. It's not really, something that we're gonna look at. What we're gonna start looking for now is gonna be more of an inverse off of this fair value gap. Of course, I'm not gonna be risking 34 points. I'm gonna be looking for something like more low key, like 25 maybe, around there. But that's if, like someone said in the chat, his name is Frank. He said that every pop might get faded because of course we are in the obvious downtrend. So yeah, that's definitely something to look out for. But like I said, I'm gonna be sizing light on any trade that I take today because of course the market is extremely volatile. So we're gonna see what happens. We are gonna see what happens. So far, it seems like we want to sweep, which is a good sign. But we are gonna see. We are going to see. And by the way, guys, like I said a million times, and I'll say it again. Wait, first and foremost, I hope this Ferrari holds up because it's the one that I want to take, guys. If you guys take any trade today, at least for now, with the market moving so volatile, please size light on it. Size with something that you guys don't care about losing. If that's not the case, just wait for another setup. Because right now the market, anything we take is pretty risky. First and foremost, we're kind of trying to time the market, the bottom of the market, which is really risky, especially after such a strong sell-off. So please take something light if you guys can. But if not, just wait for the next one. Who cares? You know what I mean? We just bounced off an ancient fair value gap, bro. That's pretty weird. That doesn't really happen all the time. I'm late. No, I'm not in anything. No. Guys, for the people that always ask that, oh, I'm late, is he in anything? Guys, if it's not posted in the Futures Alert channel, I'm not in. There will never be a time where I don't post something. Bounce off this 4 hour. No, I don't use the 4 hour. I don't use the 4 hour. And can someone explain the trading drawdown for PA? As you make profit, the trading drawdown goes up with it. And then once you hit a certain profit goal, what's it called? It freezes. So for example, for a 50K account, at $52,000, the drawdown freezes. 3 fair value gaps from Longo on is ES. What has ES been doing? I'm curious. I'm curious because there's been times. Okay, it looks pretty decent. It looks decent. I'm gonna say decent. Not amazing, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Right? The only fair value gap that we have here is the main one off open. So yeah. But yeah. Anyways, like I said, what we're focusing on right now is gonna be a simple sweep plus inverse. We need to see very strong buy. The only way I'll take this is if I see the strongest buying coming in. Because I'm not, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to get swept and we go back down. Just like how what happened to anyone that took this fair value gap here, they would have gotten screwed big time. This one right here, they would have gotten screwed big time. Massive fake out and all that stuff. And we got to sweep and everything, so I'm not sure why we reject it back down. But yeah, and if the market wants to go lower, we have room into 860, which I don't want to say we can go down to. I don't want to see us going down to that because I mean we already have everything. We swept majority of liquidity. We have a setup. We have everything. We have John liquidity above. Why should we go lower? That's what I'm hoping for. But we'll see. We'll see. But yeah. Do you trim in areas that are not take profit? Yeah, I trim whenever I want. Like when I'm happy with the profit, I'll just take it. You know what I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Let me see. I don't know. No one took it. I'm just saying for the people that might have took it. You know what I mean? That's so a strong level from the morning session. Which level? The 860? Yeah, the thing is, like, we could see it. I'm not saying we're not gonna see it. I mean, we possibly, I mean, with the sell-off coming in, we could take it. Thing is, I would hope we don't see it because I mean, we have everything we need right now. Why should we ask for more? You know what I mean? We've swept literally majority of the liquidity nearby, um, and all that stuff. I mean, we have a setup, we have DOL above, we have price targets, we have everything. So I'm hoping we can bounce up soon. I'm hoping sellers get weaker and weaker by the DOL. But only time could tell. Only time could tell. I'm hoping today is not a long day because yesterday was a good one. When we finished early, I went straight to bed. You guys don't understand. I went straight to bed and it felt really good. So I'm hoping today's not it's not one of those days where we stay on for like 3-4 hours. But yeah, like I said, don't expect buyers to step in literally out of nowhere. I would hope so, but when the market sells off over 300 points, it's gonna take some time for buyers to win over the sellers. Is half size a good option and then full size? I mean, bro, the chance of us inversing all of the rally ups above is pretty slim, bro. They're far. They're really far. They're far. No news. Not anymore. We got all the news out of the way. It was really only jolts. That's what it's called. But yeah, hopefully we can find a bottom really soon. Biggest trade of the year? Nah, bro. Nah. The biggest trade of the year. I didn't catch all of it, but the commentary that we caught from the rest of it was 650 points. We're de- we're definitely not getting anywhere near that again. That was something. That was something. Even like guys, this entire sell-off right here, it was half of what we caught, bro. Yeah, it was half of what we caught. This entire the sell-off that you guys are looking at your screen right now, the one that took almost an hour to do, this is half of what we caught that day. I remember, biggest trade literally of my career. I think it was. I don't know why the market dumped. It was something though. But yeah, I remember I was here. Yeah, I think it was when I used to average like what like 100 people around there. Yeah, I used to average like 100 people. A lot of you guys caught that. That was when everyone started getting their accounts funded and all that stuff. But yeah, how much did I make off that trade? I don't remember actually. I don't remember. Oh yeah, the recession scare. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, yeah. The whole thing about the Japan recession and all that stuff. We caught the sell off the day after. And we ended up catching what was it? Yeah, 650 points. So it was definitely something. It was definitely something. Let me pick my YouTube chat. All right, yeah, it's just people chatting here. Okay, cool. But yeah, so far, guys, like I said, we're kind of just waiting for buyers to step in if they could step in. To inverse this per rally gap. But yeah, and by the way, guys, once again, please size if we do end up taking this, please size light on it. Don't be dumb. Don't be greedy. Don't be dumb. Just size light. There's no point. Like with the market being volatile, like even if you size light, you'll still make money out of it. So that's my thought process behind it. I mean, bro, if that's how you're gonna want to go about it, Pit Assassin, bro. If it goes against us, man, that's on you, bro. I'm saying it's risky for a reason, bro. It's volatile. Size light like 15 to 20. 15 to 20 is full size. What do you mean? Size light, I'm talking like 5 contracts maybe. You know? Do you have an idea? No, I don't. I mean, the trade literally hasn't played out, so I do not know where the stop loss is. But yeah, let's see if as a given you focus. I've watched only half of the movie. I have to finish the other half. But I like the vibes that it gives out. But yeah, so far, really all we need to do is pump up 60 points, which in a market like today, it sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. It really isn't. All we need is just one strong push up, and we're set for that. Bro, if we hit this trade, we're looking at 320 points. I doubt we see that, but hey, you never know. You never know. You never know, guys. You never know. But yeah, we are pumping up into this Fair Valley Gap fairly quick. So be ready, guys. Be ready. Be ready. Really hoping we can inverse this and not do any weird shit. I don't know. And with a market like this, let me ask you guys: would you guys be down since we are well for the people that are following it? Since we are sizing light, really light actually. Make sure you guys are sizing light. Would you guys want to, since the market is moving a lot, like we're talking like 40 points every candle, would you guys want to like move the stop loss to like 30 points? I think that'll make more sense. I mean, we're sizing light regardless, so we're not even gonna lose that much. This is gonna give us more breathing room in a market that's moving really fast. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. I'll do like 30 points. So like something like this, just so we have. Because look at this. You guys are like what I'm trying to say is every candle is like 40, 50, 60, 80 points, right? Because we're in a volatile market. Finally, thank God. You know what I mean? So we're not. Well, I'm not gonna say anything so quick, but it's not looking too choppy, right? So we're moving quick. So 30 point. Well, it depends how much you size, bro. It depends how much you size. But yeah, so far I'll size extremely light. I'm looking at like what, like 5 micros maybe around there. So if it goes against me, I really won't lose anything. I'll probably lose like what, like 200, 300 maybe. So like a normal trade. But yeah, guys, we are currently inside of this fair value gap. So let's see what we do from here. Like I said, I'm gonna try to risk around 30 points. So that's gonna be my go-to thing. About 30 points. But yeah, let's see if we can go ahead and inverse this fair value gap right here. Hopefully we can do it. But if we reject, I would obviously know why we're rejecting off of it. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully we get a quick day on our hands, a quick, nice winning day where we make some money and we go enjoy the day. Let's see. Let's see. Like I said, guys, for the people that are just joining, I don't know if people just joined or not. If you guys are gonna take this trade with me, because it is a really risky one. I'm gonna say it right now, it's a risky trade. Although we have all the confirmations, if it plays out, we have everything. The market is extremely volatile, and anything could really happen. And, of course, we're trading longs in a super bearish trend, right? Because we're trying to time the bottom. That's what my strategy is, right? So it's a risky one. So please size light. If you guys don't want to size light, that is your fault, not mine. All right. I'm sizing with something I can afford to lose. I wouldn't really care if it goes against us. So yeah. I'll say it now. I'll say it a million times if I have to. But yeah, if you guys size light, that is your problem, not my problem. That's it. I'm here just to give you guys ideas here. Help you guys out. But yeah, let's see. So far, we got the mini rejection, which is totally normal. All we need to do now is just see more buyers step in. We get a bit of selling weakness because, of course, sellers are still trying to step in. We're rejecting off a bearish fair value gap, all that stuff. It's normal, right? All we need now is a nice bounce up off of this fair value gap, and we should get a nice inverse. We just need a strong buyer to come in. But yeah, I mean, this is also a good thing because it's showing that the fair value gap is valid. So if we inverse it, we have a good way to go. So yeah, mini rejection, this won't really do anything. It depends how we hold it, of course. But yeah, let's see. All we need to do is pump up 50 points, which is just one candle, realistically, with this volume at least. So hopefully we can get a nice movement to the upside soon. I don't want to sell off too hard. Let's see. But I look away for 2 seconds and we dump down. Let me see. You guys are pinging me here in the chat. What's up? I'm about $800 in drawdown. I've been trading 5 contracts, so I should do like 3 or 4. Yeah, yeah, 4 works. Why not? Can I change the contracts? Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine. Do MNQZ 4. That's what I do. How about for 25k account? Do like 4. Yeah, you'll be fine with 4. But we'll see. Like I said, hopefully we don't reject off this fair value gap too strong, because realistically we tried to sweep liquidity, but so far it's not holding up the best. So we gotta give it some time before we really, before we're really able to see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Bro. Okay. Well, I guess we want to go lower, so I guess we're gonna have to stay a little bit more patient and see when we get that. If we want to get 860 and get another fair value gap, we could do the same exact thing. I don't even care. It'll still be the same game plan. But damn, the one rejection we didn't want to see, it happened. But it's fine. It's fine. All we have to do is just stay a little bit more patient, and we'll be fine. All we have to do is stay a little bit more patient and see. I mean, we might as well just take out 860, get that stress out of the way. And below 860, I literally have nothing. So, well, at least I don't have anything marked out. Oh no, I literally have nothing. Yeah. Mark this one out at least. So yeah, 860 should be the bottom. If I were to say, yeah, 860 would probably be the bottom, in my opinion. But yeah, the one reaction I didn't want to see is the reaction that we got. It's fine though. It's fine. I told you every pop was fine. Oh, in this case, yeah. I mean, like I said, I was expecting more of a rejection because of the fair value gap, which I'm like, okay, it's normal. But it's not something I wanted to see. It's something I was expecting, but not what I wanted to see. I think I said that. I said it some way. But yeah. And we didn't even create a fair value gap here, so there's nothing that we can even trade off of. So we're kind of stuck with trading this one above. So regardless, we need to trade this one. Unless we create a sell-off here again, I won't really know what to tell you guys. So we're gonna have to be pretty patient today. And if anything, if it has to be a PM session type of day, then so be it. So be it. But we'll see. I don't want to speak too quick into it. Should my stop loss be the same for all micros? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, why shouldn't it be? Do you always wait for an inverse of the fair value gap? I don't I do trade rejections, but not in this case because the market already sold off so much. Why would I take shorts? We took out most of the liquidity below. Ideally, we wouldn't have too much room to really take shorts. We won't have room to target any lower because we can reverse off any second now. That's if we get it, if the market wants to do it, you know. Um, but we'll see. 'But yeah, like I said, let's at least take out 860 so we can get that stress out of the way, and we just wait for a reversal. It would have to be a strong one though. I'm talking 140 points, man. I mean, we could see that. It's not a big deal, but bro, that would suck. 150 points. That's if we get the reversal. It would suck, but it's what we have to deal with. And if anything, if we have to do PM session, I'll do it. I'll do PM session. But 2,000 today? Damn. And the lesson is patient. Yeah, no, there's been times where patience has paid, and today might be one of them. Hopefully, it's one of them. But yeah, no, we're gonna have to sit here and just wait patiently. What more can we do? I mean, if you guys want to force a setup, that's on you. Is a 10 point 50-minute for value too small? Yeah, it's 30 points too small. Yeah. If you're down 2K, yeah, I don't know what to tell you, man. There hasn't been any setups playing out, so I don't know what you took. At least in my eyes. At least in my eyes. When's the last time you blew a funded? Like a month ago, maybe. 2 months ago, maybe. I don't remember. I blew, yeah, one. I was just having some fun with it and fucked up. Bro, have you guys been seeing on Twitter, like a little sidetrack? Have you guys been seeing on Twitter another pumping that we're getting exposed for the same thing that I taught you guys on the IV things? His name is C Blast. Have you guys been seeing that? I'm on my phone right now. I'm reading through it. Like everyone's getting on his ass. He's getting super defensive about it. C Blast. C Blast. Bro. I don't know him. He's been pumping and dumping. He got into it. I don't know if you guys remember, like the no, on Twitter. Chris, yeah, C Blast. That's his name, Chris, right? I'm pretty sure it's Chris. Yeah, yeah. But hopefully, bro, I don't know why with the market being so volatile. Why didn't we just take out 860? We were like literally like 8 points away, right? Yeah, 7 points away. We might as well just take it out. How does that work? It's a whole topic, bro. It's a whole topic. I'm not trying to get too into it. It's just by moving the contract IVs with a big following. Like a lot of people do that. Like when you guys have a big following with options, you guys can move contracts by pumping volume into it, or like by pumping your followers to buy it. They are well, not really. Not. It's like the SEC just gives them a slap on the wrist. That's what it is. Now I can't place it in any order. You blew your account, bro. I don't know how the hell you lost $2,000 in one day, but yep. You sounds like you blew your account if you can't do that. But yeah, no, the SEC just gives them a slap on the wrist. They take a percent of the money that they made, and then the rest they just take it. You know what I mean? But yeah, David, I have 5 accounts on Tradeovate. How many contracts? Bro, just copy trade that account. It's the same way you trade it. You do your own thing with one account, and it will just copy over to the rest of the accounts, bro. But yeah, all right. So some buying is stepping in. We didn't get the sweep, which is I'm confused about. But I mean, all right, I guess. I mean, if we go up, I'll take it because we can still sweep 953, which is something we can look out for. So regardless, we'll be good for longs. We just need this to inverse. Like I said, it'll just take some time, so we gotta sit here patiently. Doesn't look strong buyers though, even though we're to pump up a little bit. Yeah, we would. I mean, keep in mind we are just working off of one 5 minute candle. We're gonna need to see a lot more, maybe like two or three, ideally, and then we can go off that. But I mean, we're it's a step in the right direction. You know what I mean? It's definitely a step in the right direction. We can get some sort of nice buying coming in this candle. We get the idea that buyers are stepping in, and we go from there. Right? But it's not enough to really tell us that the trend is bullish. You know what I mean? It's just more of an idea. All right. So let's see. Let me turn on my lights. That's probably why my room has been feeling so dark. Well, literally why it's been dark. Alright, there you go. The chat feels less spammy. Yeah, bro. I've been timing people out, bro. Tired of that shit. 860 hasn't hit. It doesn't have to hit. It's not a must that it has to hit because we already hit 953. All we have to do now is wait for the sweep off of it. Yes, it looks just as choppy as ever. For the person that mentioned it. Are you looking for an 02-ish entry? I'm looking for an 08-ish entry. That will be the ideal one. Of course, we would have to wait for a stronger breakout. So I'm talking like maybe 20,000, like 15 the latest. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, I got you. So like it'll be like around the 08-ish entry. Like maybe I'm talking like 11, 12, 15 the most. If we get anything above 15, that would just be a late ass entry. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Bro, Fibo, that that just shows that he failed to pump and dump one contract. There's a lot of proof out there, bro, and he's not the only one that does it. There's many people that do it. Welcome to the world of Twitter trading, where every big guy that you hear of is a pump and dumper. We're still in light. Yeah, light. Yeah. Banana? No. No. I don't know him. I'm gonna pump in the market, bro. I hope so, bro. I hope so. We need to get this set up so I can go enjoy my day, bro. I need to go back to sleep. I'm tired as hell. Go water? I already got water, bro. I'm, I'm always 2 steps ahead. Invited to Digi, bro. Mercado, bro. Do we know why NQ crashed? I'm not sure. Someone said in war news, but I don't think it's that. I mean, it's just going to be one of those times where the market just wants to sell off. That's what I think it is. I think it's just a random sell off. But we don't know. At least I don't know. At least I don't know. You could probably look further into it on Twitter or something. You can find something. But from what I've known, I haven't seen anything crazy. Just a simple market sell off. By the way, guys, I keep seeing, is today Q4? Is today the day when Q4 starts? Yes. Oh, perfect. Okay, hopefully, what's it called? I don't know if that Q. I don't know if that bro. Good shit, Keepy. Um, what was I saying? Hopefully Q4 changed the conditions of the market. I mean, we definitely saw something off open, which is something. Um, but hey, we'll see. We'll see. Come on, bro. If we pumped up this much, we might as well just pump up 40 more points to get that entry. You know what I mean? We might as well. It's right there. But yeah, no. If we dump here, I'll just come back PM session because I'm not gonna wait 3 years for a 100 point pump up to get one entry. I might as well wait for a PM session. But that's if we dump. That's if we dump. Like, I'm talking like 860 type of dump. We need this candle to be a nice push-up candle. This should be the push-up candle that we have. Buying volume's not very strong. It's not the strongest, but it's there. It's definitely there. You know what I mean? But like I said, if we dump back down into like 870 range, I would just come back PM session. Cause I'm not trying to stay on the computer like I always do, like for hours for nothing. I might as well just wait. If a fair value gap is usually best for an inverse, can you also use it for trend trading? Yeah, 100%. And you don't have to inverse a fair value gap. I don't always inverse it. Sometimes I take rejections or bounces. Um, bro, how do you have all this patience? Hey, bro, I mean, it's pretty simple, bro. You just, if there's no setup, you just don't trade it. You just wait for the setup to play out. I mean, we have the setup clearly. All we have to do is just wait for it to play out. Why would you take anything else before it plays out? That's pretty dumb. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's. I'm not gonna say it's simple because it really isn't. There's gonna be days. I mean, last week, for example, we were cash Monday, Tuesday. I'm not Tuesday. No, we were cash Monday, Wednesday. We were supposed to be cash Thursday and Friday. I mean, we had the setup there. I'm not gonna say that, but you know what I mean. It's definitely been, you know, it's been something. But like for example, last week it isn't easy. I'm not gonna say it's simple, but the idea behind it's simple. Like you just wait for the setup to play out. You look for one and you just wait for it. Let me see. How do you manage walking away for the day and keeping an eye on the potential setup? Yeah, I do set alerts. I set multiple alerts for certain levels, and sometimes when I'm bored or I'm in like laying down or on my couch, I'm kind of just like checking the charts every so often. I'm like, okay, there's a setup here. I'm gonna get back on the charts and see. But yeah, that's how I go about it. Yeah, exactly. The market will always be there. Exactly, bro. No better way to say it. If you guys stay cash for 1 week, the market will still be here. The market has been here longer than all of us together have been born. At least I think. But you guys get the idea. The market has been here for a while. That's the whole idea. The market has been here for a while, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So there'll be good days, there'll be rainy days, there'll be sunny days, there'll be, like last week. Last week was a pretty rainy week. I'm not gonna lie. Although we ended, well, at least I did. I don't know about you guys. I ended up break even. Well, just barely break even. I definitely gave back some profits from Tuesday's trade, which wasn't pretty. Because I mean, you know what it is, losing all the profits from a 120 point trade. Thank you, Viv. Thank you. Um, but yeah, you know what it is, giving back every single profit that you made. Throughout a 120 point trade, it's definitely draining. You know what I mean? At least for the weekend, I managed it well. Like I completely forgot about everything over the weekend, and I came back stronger than ever. But yeah, no, that was definitely something. That was definitely something. I can't lie to you guys. But hey, that shows you guys that no matter how much you trade and no matter how much you look for setups, it won't always play out. That's a good example. That's a good example. So yeah, guys. I like to do cleaning and stuff while you talk. Set up, bro. I wish, bro. My room's a mess right now, bro. I have shoes everywhere because I was trying out some outfits, and I just left them out. So I definitely need to do that. I think I need a C10. Is that even a thing? I don't think C10 is a thing, bro. Hey, what's up, Ricky? What's up? Um, Baz, couldn't you have called shorts out open and told us to hold, bro? I wish, bro. I wish. No, it's a C8, bro. It's a C8. That's what you mean. So would you use the 2 5 minute fair value gaps? I would use them more for a price target. I can't remember your name. It's dotted out for me, but yeah, Marcel. Yeah, I'll use both fair value gaps, but more for price targets. I'm not gonna look to inverse them. I don't really care about them. How much horsepower am I pushing? I'm doing close to 500. I think it's 490, 495. It's something, but you feel it. You feel it. Let me tell you guys that. Especially when your torque is cut off like in half, you feel it. Cause I'm still in the break-in period. I've been putting some miles on that shit. Nah, not yet, not yet. I'm at like I think I'm at like 320, which is a lot, bro. I mean, I got the car literally not even a week ago. But I'm pushing it, bro. I'm pushing it just for the break-in, and then that's it. I'll stop driving it so much. How much horsepower on the bench press, bro? We're talking, well, used to be 225, but yo, for premium members, do we have live access to the stream in the Discord without? Yes, Brandon, yes. Just bench 230, yes, but that's crazy, bro. the most I was able to do at my peak when I was like extremely motivated for the gym. Now I do it more just to maintain. Like I still go and all that stuff, but I don't like go like I'm talking like crazy type of guy. No, I just go to like a I just go to go. But when I used to be able to, it was 225. Now I can probably do like how much is 45 plus 25? How much is that? I pushed 250. Damn, Patrick. What channel can we find access to? It'll be right here, bro. That's 185. Yeah, that's right. I could do 185 for 3. I used to be able to do it for like 5 or 6 on a good day. So I've definitely gone down a bit, but I definitely stopped taking creatine. I stopped eating as much as I used to, because back then I would eat like a fucking monster, bro. So I just stopped because I just I'm like, you know what? I don't really care that much. Like not like that. Like I still go every single day, but I just don't care about looking. You know what I mean? Like, do you guys get what I'm saying? Yeah. I just don't really care about looking like this guy. You know what I mean? I just want to be fit. Be healthy. Yeah, exactly. Just stay healthy. But yeah, damn, bro. But yeah, so far this market has been sitting at this 920 range, which I don't know why. We should have been pumping up a lot more, but like I said, we gotta stay patient, guys. If we don't see anything in like the next 20 minutes, or if we dump down soon, which I hope we don't. Um, thank you, Zach. Thank you, bro. Um, what's it called? I'll probably just come back PM. Would you guys be down for a PM session? Well, I'm talking later though. Bro, Marcel, yeah, no, it's crazy, bro. Yes? Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna call it yet. I'm not gonna call it yet, guys. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, see, like, what the reaction is. If buyers want to get control. If they don't want to get control, we can come back PM and get the control then, and all that stuff. But so far, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, see how it reacts. Hopefully, we can break some highs. But if we dump down into the 800s, I will just come back PM session. Or maybe lunch hour. Maybe lunch hour. We're right there next to the setup, so it shouldn't take 2 3 hours for it to play out. But we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, definitely today, definitely patience is something we definitely need today. But trust me, it'll pay. It'll pay. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. Trust me, Grace, get used to it, because there's gonna be days where we stay patient for hours upon hours. Today is simple. We've been on live for about an hour. We're staying patient for about an hour. But trust me, there's gonna be days where you're gonna have to you would have to wait a long time for a setup. But hey, at the end of the day, it plays out most times. So who can really complain about it? At the end of the day, if it pays out, who cares? Yeah, exactly. It's better than blowing accounts. Yep, couldn't have said it better. But yeah, so far we still have to pump up a good chunk. So we're kind of still waiting on it. Let me see if I give you this. Okay, itchy finger. Yeah, exactly. A lot of people tell me that they're like, hey, because I'm not trying to say that the lives or anything, but it definitely help people stay more disciplined, because I guess they're able to see other people's thought process, and be like, oh, okay, so I probably shouldn't take this and this and this and this and so on, right? You don't flirt with RP? No, no. No, I do not. I don't know him like that. I kind of just put my stuff out in his server. I met him once. He's a pretty cool guy in real life. But yeah, that's about it. What's in pounds? Bro, that's a lot, bro. That's what I know. What do you think of trading a micro gold? I don't know about. Does Bitcoin have micros? I don't know. I don't know too much about crypto, but yeah, you could do micro gold. I'm pretty sure it's MGC, something like that. Could be something like that. But man, I'm getting tired, bro. And I went to sleep. No, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I went to sleep kind of late, but I'm like, why am I so tired? Well, that's probably why. David, are you trading on TradingView? No, I use TradingView. I use TradingView so I can show you guys the charts. So it's a lot cleaner, a lot easier to read, and a lot more pleasing to the eye. Less time for man, I need it, Grace. You don't understand. I need it. But no, I use TradingView on my second monitor to place the orders. So it's literally just a buy and sell button. Bro. Plus, have you been no, actually no. No, I haven't had not that I haven't had time, I've just been doing other stuff. Why don't you sell with the trend? Because there's no setup, bro. I'm not gonna sell just because it's going down. That's not how I trade, bro. That's not how anyone should be trading. You should have a setup and look for a setup. You know what I mean? Well, that's my thought on it. That's my thought on it. So far, bro, we're bro, I don't want to consolidate down here. But if PM's what we're gonna have to wait for, then so be it. So be it. But yep, chop time. I'm hoping not, bro. And we have to break out of this high, bro. We were so close to this for Valley Cup, and we just dumped down, bro. What is ES doing? Chopping as per usual. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, I'm not too worried that we're not gonna get a sub today because I feel like we are. It's just the one thing that's holding us down back is just like that. We just have to wait. You know what I mean? We just have to wait for the setup. How's your weekend, bro? It was good. It was actually really good. But back to work, bro. Back to work. Back to making some money and all that good stuff. But yeah, like I said, what's it called? I'm not too worried that we're not gonna get a sub today because I feel like we are. I mean, we're right there. We might as well just get it. Thing is that we're just gonna have to wait. So, what time would I don't have any time, Kenny. It's whenever the setup plays out. That's when I get on. It's not a specific time. Bro, guys, chill in the chat, bro. Just, I don't know how that shit starts, bro. Just chill, bro. Something so simple. Just let it go. Mexican? No. I'm Cuban. Can you have a fair value gap with the base of the candle instead of the wick? Yeah, fair value gaps are made from the base of the candle, not the wick. You mean the body of the candle, not the base. The body of the candle. Yeah, that's how fair value gaps are formed. But yeah, but we're still in this 930 range, bro. We've been in this wait. Hold on, what? What? 952. Krabby took shorts. Off what? $9.52. I mean, I guess he took something. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, no, in the chop, that's well. What's up? Yeah, bro, I answered your question, bro. It's just 2 minutes delayed. No, he didn't gamble. I don't think he did. He probably said something I don't see. I can't wait. Oh, by the way, speaking of yo, did you guys enjoy the class yesterday? Like, do you guys? Because I'm gonna do this all week. I have a schedule to do these classes all week. Yes, perfect. Yeah, because I know there's some of you guys that might be new in here that might be a little bit new to the strategy and all that stuff. So yeah. But yeah, no, this entire week I'm gonna be covering the 1 month winning streak. I'm gonna be trying to cover every trade, not everyone, not every trade, but most of them. Bro, 6, bro. Shut up, bro. I'm gonna be trying to cover most of them. So yeah, today I'm not gonna cover my strategy today because I did it yesterday. But what I'm gonna be doing is doing more recaps on the trades that we took, how I found them, how it played out, why I liked them, and exactly how you could do it. Your trimming advice was good. I'm gonna do more on trimming. Yeah, I'll explain more on that. I'll explain more on the trimming part. But yeah. I wasn't there. You trying to do an entire thing again? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Just watch the recording, man. But yeah, I mean, so far we kind of are. I'm not gonna say we're dumping. We're definitely going down though. But yeah, like I said, if we go down into the 800s, into the 800 range, I'll just come back PM session and just wait for the setup. Do you prefer the 5 or 15 minute for rally gap? I prefer the 5. I will always do the 5 over the 15 minute. I missed a class and you're recording? Yeah, 100%. I always record them. Here. It's part 1 of 5. I'm planning to do 5. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do 5, but we'll see. We'll see. It's definitely gonna be a multi-part thing. After setup like this, the chop is bound to chop. Yeah, for a little bit at least, not for the entire day. Not for the entire day. There's a fair value gap forming from a long ago around the 700 area. Nah, that's 700 though. I don't know if we see 700 today. We can see it tomorrow, but I don't know about today. That's pretty far. I mean, it's right there realistically, but it's far in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, if we go into the 800 range, I'm just gonna come back PM session. I'm not trying to sit here all day for hours doing nothing. I'd rather just watch it on the side while I do some other stuff. And then, you know, of course, once it's about to play out, then we get back into the thing. What's my... No, I don't use blaster shreds anymore. I kind of give up on that. Here. Class was fired. Hey, thank you, Brian. Appreciate you, my guy. Bro. But yeah, if anything, guys, trade or not today, I will do a class today 100% for you guys. Remember, I'm gonna try to do it every day this week. It's not guaranteed, but I'm gonna try. I'm definitely gonna try my best. Definitely gonna try my best. So far, we're still chopping. Okay, let me ask you guys this: would you guys be down, bro? Bro, chill. Would you guys be down to come back PM session, or do you guys want to wait it out a little bit more? Because right now, nothing is happening. We're kind of just chopping up here. So, I don't know. You know what I mean? Just wait. Well, it's mixed. It's like PM, wait. I would say PM. I mean, literally whenever the setup plays out, I'll just come back. You know what I mean? So regardless, it's just you guys are watching for the setup, and I'll just be back once it plays out. Let me see. Hop off and come back when you see it. Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do in my opinion. So yeah, I guess I'll call it now for like an hour, maybe 2 hours till the setup plays out, and then we'll come back. Right, I'll add you guys. I'll be like, okay, guys, we're back on. Let's go ahead and catch this together. All right, but yeah, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it for now. You know, take a little breather off the charts. You know, rest my eyes, and once the setup plays out, we'll be back. All right, guys. All right, I'll see you guys in maybe hopefully like an hour. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. All right, and for my YouTube people, guys, if you guys, of course, I know we didn't catch anything today, which it happens. It's been more of a patience type of day. If you guys want to get access to these alerts, and live trading without a delay, guys, click the first link in the description. Join the premium. If you guys want to join with the discount code, use code TRIAL. Actually, no, use code TRADING for 30% off any upgrade. Use code TRADING. It's TRADING. If you guys want to join with the discount, go ahead and click the first link and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be going live for the premium later today. I won't be doing YouTube. I'll be doing YouTube tomorrow for the AM session. All right, guys. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and join, click the first link in the description. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the class later today.